Press copy. The control panel will light up. Locate the position of the asterisk. You can use a marking pen if you like. Press the arrow to exit the menu. Open the cover of the toner cartridges. It must be slightly open, like this. Press the asterisk button for around 5 seconds until the reset menu appears. Now you have to choose the toner cartridge you need to reset. K is the black toner, C is cyan toner, M is magenta and yellow. High capacity or standard capacity. We'll reset the black toner. Press yes. It will show accepted. Close the cover. Let's see the state of the toner. The toner is now 100%. If the asterisk doesn't work, try the window button instead.